I am Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots.
Mobile Fortress Combat.
I am Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots. I will never stop fighting for our freedom. Freedom is the right of all sentient beings. Now, all we need is a little energon and a lot of luck. Do not forget what you have learned of our past. From it, sometimes even the wisest of us can make an error. Do not forget what you have learned of our past. From its lessons, the future is forged. We can't stand by and watch the destruction of this beautiful planet. We can't ignore the danger. We must conquer it. There's a thin line between being a hero and being a memory. I will accept the burden with all that I am. Even if you defeat me, Megatron, others will rise to defeat your tyranny. It's you and me, Megatron. Old friend, you kept this planet safe. You truly are a worthy Autobot. Bumblebee, our war rages on. We must fight for this planet and its inhabitants. Autobots, roll out! I am Optimus Prime, and I will defend any world from Megatron and his Decepticons. Till all are one. One shall stand, one shall fall. We've suffered losses, but we've not lost the war. Autobots, fall back! Now, Autobots, roll out! I am Optimus Prime, leader of the Autobots.
Stop me. I'm going faster, wanna break away.